My name is Christian Maron. I'm going to demonstrate CPR adult. CPR is a cardiopulmonary resuscitation. It's a combination of chest compression and rescue breathing. LNF is look, listen, and feel. Look the chest movement and listen to the sounds of breath and feel the pulse. Then my scenario is, I see the man is lying in the ground and he's unconscious. Then check the area and on the front, at the back, at the side, and up and down. Then responsiveness. Hey sir, are you okay? Hey sir, are you okay? Hey sir, are you okay? So the verbal approach. I don't know. Physical approach. Hey sir, are you okay? Hey sir, are you okay? Hey sir, okay? So the response that reverse help. Hey mom, Mom Sheila. My name is Christian Maron, trained first aider. I'm here in ACA, Segunda Village, Butol City. Please call 117 and here the man is lying in the ground and he's unconscious. Please don't drop the call and come back immediately. And then check the man at the head into the toes. There is no blood. And open the jacket and there is no open wound, tenderness, none, and the swelling, none. So, LNF, my two fingers into the carotid pulse, and my hands into the abdomen. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 2009, 2010. So, negative pulse and negative breathing. Then chest compression, 30 chest compression in 5 blow and 5 seconds. So external, three fingers to side the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. So, LLF. Batasan 1, batasan 2, batasan 3, batasan 4, batasan 5, batasan 6, batasan 7, batasan 8, batasan 9, batasan 10. So, positive pulse and negative breathing, do the breathing. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,002. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,005. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,006. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,007. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,006. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,007. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,008. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,009. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,024. Then, LLF. 1, 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010. Positive pulse and positive breathing do the recovery position. The farthest arm, rise, and the farthest legs, bend, and the abdomen of the nearest arm. Then check the DOTS, check the head. Sir, what is your name? There is no committees. Sir, sir, how old are you? There is no other one. Sir, where do you live? There is no standard net. Sir, what is your number? There is no swelling. And wait 5 seconds to back the forward, then back to supine position.
So, maintain the patient 5 minutes, no? Para mag-break sa iba. Before you put back the patient in the supine position. Then, next step.
Next step, wait, the ambulance is coming. Then tell bring the patient to the nearest hospital for further assessment. For further assessment. Right.
Personal na.
During operation, kasi kita tahu, bago niya rin, ulan na. So, yung now, matama, kasi now, kaya mag-iasa yung mata. And then, fixed positioning of the hands, during operation, ang pasakot, external, nakausok maka. Kaya ito mga sa elastic areas. So, external, it's the three fingers above the side of the hand. Ayaw, kaya sa basi mo, buto ang stomach. Ay, mag-fix it. Okay. Exact location of the parking pulse. Where's the parking pulse? Where? Sa imo, ahalit yung parking pulse. Asa ka? Isa ka? So, under the door, under the door, pili ka nila, wala ka na? Okay. Then every time you give blow or use air and reach them, be sure na hit them. Maximum hit them, 50. Then open them up. Before you start loading, you have to tell them na maximum hit them, chin lift, open them up to the lift, then nose, no? May na-cycle all the way yan. Means, open. Low, low, maximum hit them, maximum hit them. Every time you execute a blow, ay ulit yung kayo. Okay, what is ABC? Sige, what does ABC stand for? ABC stands for what?
Airways, breathing,
Okay. What is CAP? CAP. What does CAP stand for? Eh, na ABC yung kaya breathing. How about CAP? CAP.
compression airway.
Oh, managkap, ha? So, kung magpa-execute ko galing mo sa assessor of ABC, every situation, pasabot, muhatag sa mo hangin, luha, before mo mag-compress. Pero may yung gali ang assessor can, i-execute na ka, compression first, journey, for yung in the two flows. What is the ratio? Oh, yeah, what is the ratio? What is the ratio? The ratio of CPR. Ano na yung ratio nimo? Kung sa'yo una nyo sa pasyente. Karang gano'n yung test. Kung sa'yo una nyo sa pasyente. Yung ikuan ba ito may vibe? The cycle of ratio is 30 compression.
and so yung
Basta ito, ratio. Ratio cycle na. Kasi yung nagamit ang kasi ito na ito na nakulis na mo. So, ratio. 30 compression. Yan ito, pag ginaw niya. Lagyan sa niya nilong tabi niya ba? Sige, tabi. Paminaw. Nanay na recap. The purpose of this recap is for you to be ma-added ang inyong knowledge. Kasi na-miss out. O niya, retention. Hindi kayo na ina-perform ang sa kanya-kanya gusto ng mga namin. Focus. No? Kanya-kanya mo. Ano yung purpose ng recap? It's not only for the candidate or your classmate to perform and review, but also you, tanaw mo. Kasi lalo na kung sa akong panunti. Mag-exam ano, wala kong pa. So, the ratio of CPR class is
30 compression, full blow in the 5 cycle.
okay. Ano siya? When do you stop CPR?
Back on. Second use, size, breathing pulse.
Yes, what is it?
Continuous.
Continuous breathing. Continuous breathing. Tapos?
One more. Turn over professionalis view. And over assisted.
Operator or tired. The operator is only tired.
Physician assume responsibility.
Okay, the physician assume responsibility.
And since no longer safe.
Okay, the same is no longer safe. Basta na yung mga tao na yung mga wagang armas.